This conference will now be recorded.
Is it clear? So if you go back and see, are you able to understand our AWS services? Sir, one shot when I go and click on it, this total, all the resources has to create. Then what? Sir, the data which is there, which has to encrypt. What is that? Are you able to understand the AWS service as a Uber level, one by one, when you add it, what is happening actually? Is it clear? Any one has any questions? How one AWS service, when I explain where it is helping, one AWS service I'm creating where it is helping. So this is the way all the services you utilize it and make your real-time production environment running. Is it clear? Any questions anyone has? Today, what I want to do, I want to start now. I think from now onwards, the AWS services are little bit cricket. You call it as a bouncer, right? It will go out of your head. You will not understand. Okay. So what is the reason? These AWS services until now I provided until today. Okay. Did I explain you CloudFront? No. So let us go into CloudFront. This one also, this is the last AWS service where this is for all people. The next AWS service, Lambda Functions API Gateway, is for developers and no escape. That is for developers, not for me. Everyone. Okay. Please write it down. Okay. CloudFront. This is for any people who are 4+ or 5+ years of experience. I will maybe on some day I will explain you about, maybe soon I will explain you resume. In that time, 1 year to 2 years of 3 years of experience people, what you have to concentrate. 3 to 4 years of experience, what you have to concentrate. 5 to 8 years of experience, what you need to concentrate. I will tell those things. So CloudFront, very simple, sir. I already explained CloudFront, but I'll explain you. It is very simple. Okay, you need, and sir, I'm going as a 3 years of experience. Do I need CloudFront? No. 5 years plus required CloudFront, but actually it will help you to gain technical knowledge. You will understand when you go anywhere. You should not be an idiot. Someone say how the website is faster. Website is faster. Oh, I don't know, sir. It should not be. You should, either you will not work on CloudFront, but you should know how to answer. Can you tell me, as I said you many times, how my website is faster? What are the things I have to compromise? If I want www.google.com to be very faster, you remember I already provided this one. So what are the 2 factors to make sure my website should be faster? Tell me, sir. Tell me 2 factors I explained you neatly. If I want to compromise network latency, what are the 2 factors I said you? Latency, to fix latency, we need high bandwidth. First is, that is point. Second point, I told you, internet speed is called as bandwidth. There is nothing called as speed. I told you, and with that only there is, if you think little bit
with
upper, you'll get the answer. What is the answer, sir?
with distance. With
Very good, sir. Distance. I said you, I explained you Mars and Earth example. There is nothing called as internet speed. Internet speed is speed of light. You cannot control it. It is traveling at the speed of electron. Bandwidth, you can control it. My internet speed can be 10 Mbps. I can call Airtel and say, Airtel, can you change next month to 1 Gbps? They will change it. That means I can send 1 GB in 1 second, but I cannot control the speed. It is bandwidth. That is called as bandwidth. So the problem here is, what is CloudFront? Pretty straightforward, sir. Pretty easy. Now tell me, think about it. This is India. I already provided this one. This is India. This is United States. And there is a server number 1 here. Yes. Now from Hyderabad, I go and click on www. kumar.com. Okay, what happens? The request from here will go to Mumbai. From Mumbai, it will go to South Africa using cables. From cables, it will go to Morocco. From Morocco, Italy to Scotland, Scotland to Virginia. So, then it will go to this server. Yes or no? So is it traveling more? Is it traveling more? Yes or no? It is traveling more. Yes or no? Now,
Yes.
the problem comes into picture is if the distance is high, what will happen? If the distance is more, what will happen? Okay, it will take more. What is that? Time. If my server is present in Mars, I say, hello server, how are you? How much time it will take? 45 minutes. What is the reason? The distance between Earth and Mars is so far away, 45 minutes light years away. Is it clear? Right? Light years away, it is so far. So when the distance increases, time increases. This is the primary reason. If you go back and see in 1991, 1992, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, when you go and click on website in India, it is very slow. And India is considered as one of the poorest country in the world until 1991. You know that? I don't know whether you know it or not. Today, you're having a luxury of going outside anywhere in the world. You come up and say India, you get some decency, respect. Okay, it's not in 1991. 1991, how today Pakistan is bankrupt, right? Exactly in 1991, we have only 15 days of time from bankrupt. So we were so pathetic situation in 1991. So one person came up and solved our entire problem, Manmohan Singh. In 91, new amendments get created so that foreign people can invest in India. Is it right? So stock, that's the reason. Go and check it out. Stock, how it is there, like this one, it is running from 1991. Now we are dominating the world. In next 3 years, we'll be fourth biggest economy in the world. Okay. So the reason is, the problem here is all the servers. Let's take an example. If I keep a, so think about it. What is, can anyone tell me what is the reason Amazon, Google, Microsoft are investing in Telangana? What is the reason? Tell me. IT means everyone. India, it's IT. Bangalore. Okay. What is the reason? It's very simple answer. What is the reason? What is the reason today Telangana land is increased 20 times when you compare to 6-7 years back? 20 times. What is the reason? Okay. The reason, there are, first reason, geographically we are safer place, Hyderabad. Okay. Second place, Hyderabad is the only state which is providing 24 into 7 country, 24 into 7 current all over the world, maximum. So generally when any data, so if you see why I'm telling server is here, what is the reason? All the servers are present in where? United States. Why? Because United States have 24 into 7 current, very good place, cost efficiency, intelligent people. Yes or no? So in 90s, 80s, 70s, 60s, everything is present in the world is where? What? United States. It's number one in the world. So all the development in the world, everything is there. So when we are going and hitting from Hyderabad, is it slow or fast? Slow. It's very slow. Then we don't have any option, because you cannot, because we ourselves don't have anything. So government can go and ask Facebook, can you come to here? Facebook will come up and say, will you provide current? No, I will not provide current. Then I'll come up and say, why should I come to you? Will you go and provide proper security? Oh, Sigma 5 level, Sigma 6 level security? No, I can't provide. Then why do you come? Today, the total India is providing all those things, especially Telangana, Bangalore. I would come up and say Bangalore is also pretty good. Okay, they are providing. So that is the reason they are coming. So now, if you are able to see, first thing, what is the primary reason? What is the primary reason when you click on Amazon Prime or Netflix? Is it faster? What would be the reason? Can anyone tell me now? Now tell me the reason. I explained a lot of Sodhi, and then I am asking a question to you. What is the reason why my website is faster? See that topic, what I started, see the diagram and tell me the answer.
Servers are in Telangana now,
Very
or
good,
in
sir.
India.
Servers are in Hyderabad only. Now I'm in Hyderabad. I go and click on, not direct connect, sir, not direct connect. No. So direct connect are not for you, sir. Direct connect are from your office to AWS. If you have set of production servers to your office to AWS, direct connect, not any other stuff. Basically, now the servers are deployed in where? Hyderabad. Why? We got credibility right now. You keep the server in India, it will be not hacked. It will be not safe. People are very good. That credibility comes into picture. You don't have credibility, no one will come into picture. Even Amazon was there for 6 months in Pakistan, then they moved away. Nothing is there. There is nothing called as Paytm. If you want money, you have to go stay in the line and take a money in bank in Pakistan. Like you have very what a 1970s kind of environment. Why? No credibility. Is it clear, right? That's what we have to be very thankful to IITs or the people who entrepreneurship who came success, made success all over the world, and trust has generated and a lot of investment is happening in India. Is it clear, right? So what is the problem? Now the servers are present here. Now tell me, this was my interview question actually. Every time I'll tell you, this is my last interview question in Microsoft. I thought like I am gone. So 6th round interview, and interview round was by Murli. Now he is a director of Apple company. So Murli asked me, hey, what is meant by I am telling you? So let's talk about it. This concept is called as, now where do you have servers? Now youtube.com, google.com has to be fast all over the world. So what do you do? Now this is Africa. Africa people wants to go and click on google.com. It should be faster or it should be slower? Faster. So that is the reason Google will have Google server here. There is Australia here. Australia people click on google.com. It should be faster or it should be slower? It should be faster. So they will go and deploy Google servers here. Russia people go and click on youtube.com. Example, what should happen? It should be faster. In Google will be creating, what is that? Google servers. So a particular person is sitting here, he clicks on google.com, which is the nearest one, it will go here. Hyderabad people go and click on youtube.com, it will go here. Delhi also has one server. So any Kashmir, UP, Delhi people go and click on it, it will go here, right? The question was, this concept is called as CDN, Content Delivery Network. CloudFront, write it down. CloudFront is a CDN AWS service. CloudFront is a CDN, Content Delivery Network, CDN service. Okay, so what is the meaning of CDN? Instead of the request is going to United States, now the request is going to where? Hyderabad, right? Fine. So he asked me a question. So what is meant by CDN? So I know CDN, tuck, I explained him. Content Delivery Network. Okay, I clearly explained him. Then he asked me a very good question. He asked me, sir, for CDN, so he asked me a clever question. He asked me, I have an application. You want to make sure I'm giving an application in your hand. Do it, whatever you want. Application should load it in 2 seconds. So when I click on www.google.com, it should load it 2 seconds. What is the cost? And he said, same application has to load it in 1 second. What is the cost? Same application has to load it in 0.5 second. What is the cost? Same application server, it has to load it in 0.1 second. What is the cost? Can you tell me? He said, I am very weaker in cost. I just provided something. I said, like, I may not correct answer, but I told something. It was very shocking to me. Can anyone tell me what is the cost? When I click on www.kumar.com, it should load within how many seconds? 2 seconds. So what is the cost it will come? When I click on www.kumar.com, it should load in 1 second, 0.5 second, 0.1 second. That is 100 milliseconds. How much cost it will take care? Anyone has idea? If you want to set up, so if you want to load a server with two seconds, when you go and click on it, maybe you need some $100. So you'll create a server load balancer, and anyone in the world clicks on www.google.com, facebook.com, kumar.com. Is it loading in 2 seconds? 1 second? So what is 2 seconds cost $100. 1 second, how much? 1 million. 0.5, okay, 0.5, 100 millions. 0.1, 25,000 crores if you want to set up. Google.com, is it loading faster? 0.1 second it is loading. What is the cost of Google.com, you know, yearly? Around 30,000 crores. So I was shocked. 0.2 seconds I'm getting $100. Where it is coming? The reason is, what did I do? If I want my data very faster, what should I do?
You install
I
more
have to
servers
set
near.
up a server in multiple places, right? You are creating a server in that country, setting servers, network and everything. How much time it will take? Like for your example, like this one, I'll tell you google.com will be like this one. There's a good diagram, but let me explain you. You need theoretically CloudFront. CloudFront creation is one button. Okay. So what we need to do, sir, it's like this. Super. This is what we can save it, right? What is the size of this one? Array, this is slow, but that's fine. See here, sir. See, if I want very, very, very faster in the world, anywhere in the world, I have to set up like this. Yes or no? So how many servers are there? Many servers are there. Sir, let's take an example. Hyderabad, one server is there. If that server is not working, what should I do? I have to have another server. So if you go back and see, so many servers are there, and the technology is, now you are in Hyderabad. You click on Hyderabad, it's going here, loading and coming back. You are in Pakistan. You don't have anything here. You are in Pakistan in, basically, let's take an example, Karachi. You go and click on Karachi. What will happen? The request will go where? Here, load it and come back. Is it faster? Sri Lanka person is there present. He clicks on, where is there? There is one server in Sri Lanka and load it out. So how much cost it will go if you want 0.1 second? That is the reason incurring of high cost. Not only server, you need people, security, data center. Think about it when you go into that area. Is it clear, right? So that is the reason why. What is meant by CDN? I don't know whether you know what is a CDN. So what is the meaning of a CDN, sir? In the demo I explained you, sir. In the demo, I don't know whether you remember or not. You remember this one? Okay, you are present in Hyderabad. You click on youtube.com. youtube.com video is present here. So what will happen? It has to travel, go, load it and come back. Distance is less or more? More. So how much time it will take? Less or more? More. So what
More.
is CDN? You click one button, CDN as a service in AWS. You don't require $1 billion for setting up an application. You want to make it in 0.1 second. AWS will go and create. AWS has so many regions, so many availability zones. You don't worry anything. You come and say that server has lot of application content. Can you copy that content all over the world? AWS will copy all over the world. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Example. Now your same application or the content what you want to see is available where? All over the world. Now it is also present in India. Now you're in Hyderabad. You click on youtube.com, where it will go, whether it will go to this server or whether it will go to this server. This server, load it and come back. Is it faster? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now you see, sir.
Yes.
This is faster. And see CDN and without CDN. No CDN, what will happen? If you have CDN, what will happen? CDN, original server, duplicate copy. People will access the nearest duplicate copy. They will no need to go here. So it is loading in how many? 9 milliseconds. No CDN. Everyone has to connect to the original server. So how much time it is taking? Today I can prove it. Today I can prove it. With CDN, it is 300 times faster. So if you click on it, it is taking, let us take an example, 1.5 seconds to load. I can make it, it can load it in 26 milliseconds. I can prove it right now in AWS right now. Is it clear? As an example, let me show you one example, sir. Let me go and show you one example. I think I did it this one. I'll share Dikshit details. I'll show you one example, sir. Just give me 1 minute. I'm looking for. I'll show you. Just give me 1 minute. So, is there any boy photo? Is there? I downloaded certain boy photos. Hmm. Yeah. What is the size? Wow. See, I'll take an example of see how what is happening here. So if you see here, I'll just upload this photo. Actual size of this photo. Okay, not this one. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just let me give me 1 minute of time. Let's log into AWS to go and provide a demo. And that is the reason I developed one application for demo purpose only. Okay, so see here, sir, what I'm going to do. Let's see whether this picture is what I am talking about. 1 minute, sir. Let me copy this one. Let me copy this one. This is the same image. Just for your information. Okay, this is fine. Very good. 1 minute, sir. Don't curse me. I'm developing an application for you itself only to demo in real time. This total 1 hour I'll spend for CDN. It is very important for seniors because this is called as, I don't know how many people know, you will have 3 interviews in a top 5 companies. One is programming, Linux or cloud, right? The second one, system designing. This is system designing interview question. Let me open it, do something and I'll give it to you. Or else, let's take an example. I have any photo of Kumar, let's services. Mhm. Okay, okay. I think I got it. Thank you. Okay. 1 minute. Now we are very close for demo. Destination. Okay, now we have here. Okay, I have it right now here. So is it opening? So yesterday's example, sir. If you see, do you remember I have one engineer database? So see the difference between CDN and no CDN. Just for your example, just give me 1 minute. This database is actually deleted by mistake by me. I'm doing some setting. Actually, this application is developed for you guys only to provide a good demonstration in Lambda functions, API gateway, CDN. So let me. Yeah, fine. That's good. Same thing I'm looking for it. So I have an OT, notepad. Okay, this is Kumar picture and S3 link, and I need something, right? We'll talk about that one. And I need what are the images? You have it here. Go back in the destination, and you have Dola image, right? Or Hari or Hima. This one. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay. I'm doing one small entry. So right click on this database. I don't know whether you have observed or not. You have not observed. Now it's my time to explain it properly. Array, is that application has that capability? Shit, man. What you have done? Why you deleted this stuff, man? Okay, it has that capability. Okay. Okay. Then what should I provide a demo? That's fine. I can do it. Okay. I'm adding one more record. Name is equal to, let's take an example. What is that? Dikshit. Dikshit is working for Kelly. Email ID is equal to dikshit@gmail.com. Country is India. Phone number is 998977556644. Custom address Hyderabad. Okay. Customer is AWS STU student of HI Hyderabad. Fine. Image of okay, Dikshit. Okay, give me 1 minute. What I wanted to store is actually now I got it. CDN. Don't ask me anything what I'm trying to do. I'll provide a demo and I'll open it and I'll run through everything. I'll do it. Just give me 1 minute. This is the one. This is the one. Copy it. That's it. Now I got it. Remove this one. Customers. I'm just providing a what do you call it as? Not she is a girl, right? So let's go and add Emma. Okay. So Hema details. Copy this image. Just take an example of demo difference between CDN and non-CDN. Okay. I know a lot of people are confused what is happening. Don't get confused anything. Just take an example. Customer dot, yeah, that is fine. And let's see. Copy this one, paste it. Is it working? One minute, sir. I doing a lot of mistakes. Shit. destination, demo destination, customers, and then take this example. Okay, 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 okay. Sorry. Anything missing, guys? Please let me know here. Am I missing anything? Specific key does not exist. Okay, that's fine. Okay, sir. Actually, what I wanted to show you, let me figure it out what I'm doing wrong. Actually, what I wanted to do in Amazon.com, Google.com, you have a similar application here. Actually, I want to show you why it is not working. 1 minute, once again, something is wrong. CDN CloudFront customers dot http:// okay, d3cloudfront.com. Okay, 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 okay. Array. Last time, let me go and click on it. Okay, if it is not working, I need to fix it or check it out. What is the reason? Key is not fine. Why the key is not fine? Sorry, guys. Okay, that's fine. So actually, what I wanted to show, I created an application. When I go and click on what is that here, Kumar, when I search it here, right? Wantedly, what I did it. When you click on search here, what is happening? Wantedly, I kept this particular image in North Virginia S3 bucket, and the link is http demo bucket dot what is that s3.com. So when I click on it, so what is happening when I click on search button? Can anyone tell
It
me
is
what is happening when I go and click on search button?
it is showing the loading time,
Yes,
hours
so
time.
yes, sir. When I click on search time, this one is going to my database name, database connecting to database. It wants to get this image. This image is present where? What is the URL I have provided? S3. So from Hyderabad, where is the S3 bucket I created? North Virginia. From Hyderabad, the request is going to where? North Virginia, loading and coming back. And the time taking is how much time?
874
874 4
milliseconds.
milliseconds. Is it clear? So it is taking. Actually, what I wanted to do, oh man, this is very bad. Like, what is the reason, man? Everything I worked on it. Everything. So you have HTTP. Let's go for it. Last one. Let's go for. This is bad. It is never HTTP. It was never HTTP. Last chance. Last. Sorry. What I wanted was come up with a CDN link. I have a CDN link. All over the world, everyone uses a CDN link. So one more minute. Global, what went wrong? So you are in destination, that link will be coming there. Okay, and so destination bucket, you have demo destination, demo destination, customers is the file, and you have images, right? Like see that. Okay. Wait a minute. I think it's now tells you the origin. Shit, man. Shit. 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 Sorry. Got it. This name, not the wrong name. That's it. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Now, fine. Got it. I think now we got it, sir. Where is Hema? Okay. Now you run it. Perfect. See the difference between CDN and non-CDN. See, don't see this URL and everything. Now you see, when I go and click on Kumar, how much time it is taking? 878. And the same thing, even I created something called as, what is that? Naveen. Naveen image is also, when I go and click on Naveen, Naveen image is also kept it in, what is that? Bucket. So when I click on search button, that file is downloading from North Virginia to Hyderabad. So it has so many hops in between. So it is taking how much? Nearly 850 milliseconds it is taking. Now you see, I will go and click on, what is her name? Hema, and I go and click on search. How much time? How much time?
10%, almost 80
How
to
much time?
90%.
How much time?
2
2
milliseconds.
2 milliseconds. The reason why is I am not using S3 link. If I use S3 link, what is happening? When I use S3 link, what is happening? Where is S3? It will go. S3 is in where I created North Virginia. So the file every time will go to where? North Virginia. But this time I was very clever. I did not provide S3. I used AWS CloudFront and I created one CloudFront URL, Hema. Then I click on it. Now you see the difference, sir. I go and click on, what is that name? Kumar. You click on it. How much time? Now you go and click on Hema. How much time? How many times it is faster? Can anyone tell me? How many times? 400 times faster.
400 times.
400 times faster. So what is happening? So let us go and understand. You understood the first scenario, right? When I go and click on Kumar Kumar, when I click on search button, what is happening? My request to get download this image has to go to AWS S3. AWS S3, it is using internet C cables and it is very far. And loading and coming back, it is taking 800 milliseconds. Now tell me, when I go and click on Hema and when I click on search, what is happening? Means what? Okay. This particular image is copied in Hyderabad itself only. AWS will copy a copy in Hyderabad. When I go and click on it, what is happening? It will go to Hyderabad, load it and come back. So how much time it is taking? So I have reduced the internet, or basically increase my speed up to 400 times. This is the reason. This is the main reason why you go and click on Amazon.com. Why it is faster? All these images are, why it is not taking 2-3 seconds to load? Why? What is the reason?
They are
All the
duplicated in.
servers are all these particular images. You go and click on, sir, I am interested in cricket. You go and click on cricket, you type it, all the content are loading faster. Yes or no? Yes or no? Why?
Distance
Because
is fine.
these images content, everything is present in Hyderabad one copy, or in India in one copy. So it is going, loading and coming back. You go to Pakistan and click on Amazon.com, you will see slight slow, because it has to travel from Pakistan to Hyderabad, load it and come back. It will be slight slow. But this is the beauty of CDN. Are you getting what is meant by a CDN? Senior people requires this knowledge, sir. Junior people, it's okay if you don't have knowledge, but you need to know why the website is faster. Don't come up and say internet should be faster and everything. You should understand distance and bandwidth. To reduce distance and bandwidth, what do you have? Sir, I can go for CDN. That is the reason why you have a CDN, and the content will be very, very fast. That is the reason youtube.com is faster, amazon.com is faster, Prime is faster, Netflix is faster. Why? What is the reason? Because they are hosted inside India. To host it now, again there is a challenge, right? I'll say, Dikshit, can you host amazon.com? Sir, amazon.com, I need one building, I need to create nothing. Who is providing all these services? AWS is providing. Is it clear, right? Anyone has any questions before I explain you 5 more minutes what is CDN? Very simple. Next 20 minutes I'll explain. Means next class 20 minutes I'll explain. Try to understand. If the servers are nearer, the request is faster.
Faster.
As simple as that. And that's what the world is doing. That is the reason people are banging their head, because why people said, like Elon Musk said, I'll be there in 2017 in Mars. Then he slowly come up and said, I'll be in 2019, I'll present in Mars. Then he said, I will be in 2022, I will in Mars. Now he's saying Mars is 2027. Why? Like just giving a statement like I'm a richest person in the world, I can tell anything in the world, people will believe it. It's not idiots. They're not idiots. Going into the Mars, basically you say hello, it will take 45 minutes to reach hello word. How do you communicate? What kind of mechanisms you have it? Nothing in the world can travel faster than light. Then how do you fix the problem? If something disaster happen, what will happen? Okay, density, lot of things are there. So understand the complexity in terms of cost. And CDN is, what is that? Because we are in Earth, Earth is managed by in world, right? People are managing. You can create the servers in each and every country. So when anyone in the world will go for it, see here, sir, what is the reason I pasted here this URL? The other URL I pasted, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? The meaning of this one is very simple. What is the meaning of this one? What AWS will do? So this is a good diagram actually. What is the meaning of this one? Pretty straightforward. Actual, you remember my image, Hema image is present in where? S3 server. But what you can do, you can click one button in AWS and you can say that Hema image is there, that I will not, I need faster. YouTube video is there, I need faster. You click one button in AWS. What AWS will do? Take this image. Can you tell me what AWS will do? Take this image and copy to where? Nearest what?
In all locations.
Nearest?
So the
Nearest?
nearest location.
Nearest what?
Server.
Okay, no sir. Nearest availability zone. So what you go and click on CDN, right? What is the purpose of a CDN? This is the place where actual files are there. So please write it down. This is called as, okay, origin. In CDN, origin is nothing but origin. Origin of humans is what? What is the origin point of human beings? Anyone? Human beings started from where? Huh?
Africa.
Hindu. Hey, you're talking about Indus Valley civilization, man. Go beyond that. Sir, human evolution came from where? We came from Africa. Okay. If you go back and check it out, from 8 million back ago, human brain started becoming little bigger. So they started traveling from Africa. Then it moved into slowly towards Eplok. From there, it went to Iran. From Iran, it went to Pakistan. From Pakistan, it went to Tamil Nadu. And a lot of people settled there. That's the reason oldest people in India is from Tamil Nadu. We call it as Southern hunters. And Aryans and all these things came from Russia. From Russia, they came back. So that is the reason India is a combination of black people and white people. Then brown people came into picture. Is it clear, right? So if you see here, origin actual image, I click on youtube.com. Where is youtube.com? Actual is present in somewhere else. But what AWS is taking, you can come up and say, YouTube videos are there, I want faster. AWS will take this YouTube video and copy across all the edge locations. Write it down, that one. You're in CDN, the file will be copied to edge locations. How many edge locations are there in India? Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata. So these are in India. So it will make sure it will have a copy in all over the world. Lot of edge locations are there, right? It can store this one and also write it down. Basically, it is storing in where, sir? Edge location. It is storing in edge location, and data is stored in the form of cache. CACHE, cache. Data in CDN in edge location is stored as cache. CACHE. What is meant by cache? Cache. What's the difference between what is there in RAM? Cache data. That is the cache data. It is stored in cache. Now, what is this cache and everything? Let me go and explain you. That is tomorrow. We'll create it and I will show you. And I'll go, maybe I'll add Dikshit data one more time and I'll show you how fast it will be. And why first time it will be slow, second time it will be very faster. All these things will explain. Are you able to understand, right? I don't do anything from origin. It will move it into edge locations and you will have a copy here. Let us take an example. You have a copy here. Any Hyderabad person clicks on any website, any content, that content, it will not go here. It will go here, load it and come back, which is the nearest one. Now, let's take an example. There is edge location in Bangalore, Chennai. Yes or no? One person is clicking the URL from Kanyakumari. It has to go to Chennai or it has to go to Bangalore. How do you know that? There are two edge locations, right? None of your business if you use this link. That is the reason if you use this link. It will only detect, when you click on it, it will only detect where are you, nearest edge location, it will go there. That is the reason. If you see previously, I added here S3 link. S3 links means hard coded, where it will go? Region. If you go and provide this CDN CloudFront link, when you are wherever, let's take an example, you are in Pakistan, you click on it. It will go and check it out. Pakistan, is there any edge locations are there? Our edge location is nearest to ours is Delhi. So the request will go to Delhi. There is no need for me to hard code any Delhi stuff or anything. That is the beauty of what is that CDN. Is it clear? Anyone has any questions? Online people, is it clear, sir?
Yeah, it is clear. But when first time they are accessing, it will be slower because it has
First
to
time it
go
will
on.
be slow. Let me demonstrate that one tomorrow.
Okay.
First time, only first time. From second, why? We will talk about it. Neatly, we will create it. That's the reason. Actually, I was wasting a lot of time in this setting up this URLs. But now we know what is the URL, it will work, right? Then I can paste it. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Anyone has any questions? Fine. Are you able to understand, right? So CDN link, and in all the application without your knowledge, you go and click on what is that? Tuck. What is getting loaded? What is getting loaded? All this. When you click on this one, as an example, the video streaming. Why? This loading is a CDN link. Is it clear, right? You go and click on, let's take an example. You go and click on like this one, right? Okay. I don't know what is my internet speed or anything. See here, it is running. What is the reason it is running? Because my data packets are in Hyderabad only. From here to Hyderabad, it is loading and coming back faster. Are you able to understand, right? So this one loading, how it is loading? They have done CDN link and they pasted the link. That is the reason it is running. Is it clear, right? Hope you understood. I will sign off today. Let's go for tomorrow, guys. Okay?
Okay.
Chalo, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye.